Hey guys, and today I'll be doing a spooky Halloween painting. You'll need an A4 sheet of paper, some paint including the colour black, a sponge, a cup filled about 1/10 of the way with water, and a paintbrush. And either a paper straw or a reusable straw. I forgot to photograph it. First you're going to apply one of your colours for the sky. You're going to want two colours, one for the top of the sky and one for the bottom of the sky, so a light colour and a dark colour. I'm starting off with purple, and I'm just going to use the sponge to dab this all over my paper, well, halfway, and then I'm going to dab the yellow on the bottom half and blend them together. This is a good technique to teach kids how to blend for the first time. Rather than using a paintbrush, it's easier to blend with a sponge. You can do this as a more general autumnal picture rather than a Halloween one by using autumnal colours like red, yellow, brown and orange for the sky. So once you've filled the whole page with paint, you need to leave it to dry before you move on to the next step. The thicker the paint, the longer it'll take to dry, so mine took just over an hour to dry. When your painting is completely dry, you'll want to mix your black paint with the bit of water that is in the bottom of the cup, so you get a really watery black paint. Now you can use this paint for your trees, so you're going to use the paintbrush to paint on a tree stump onto your picture. Make sure it's nice and watery, and then you're going to get your straw and use this to blow the paint in different directions. You want to get behind the direction that you want the paint to move in, if that makes sense. You can add some scenery, you could add a road or some hills. I've just added 2 hills to my picture. And then I'm going to repeat the blowing process again for some more trees. So you can add as many trees as you like. I've stuck with 3 trees so that you can clearly see where the branches are. You can do as many or as little branches as you like. So you can always add more water to the stem if you want to add more branches. Just blow it out again. If you want to make it more spooky, then you can paint bats like I did, or add a moon with some white paint, or even paint a castle on the hill. So that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art lessons on a Monday and some more of my personal art on a Thursday. See you next week for more Art with Miss Burford.